Hey everybody, welcome back to Ideal 3D Projects. Today we have a special project for you. We broke over time our toilet seat and we need to replace it. So you kind of think that you know where we're going with this. We 3D print and design problems in our life. So let's get to the bathroom and go check this out real quick.
Here in the bathroom, we have these nice cushion seats, but they have a problem over time. If you can see, they end up cracking like crazy. And we are going to replace that with 3D printing and designing today. And hopefully it will turn out just fine and it won't be a terrible idea. After getting these to the printer and printing them, which took forever because I forgot to change a setting. It's taking forever to 3D print. But I think when this gets finished, it's gonna be well worth the wait. But we'll have to find out. Or it might just be a complete crap job. After a couple of days of printing, this is what came out. I used dovetails, but it seems like it only worked one way. You can see here that I'll be trying multiple times, and then I finally just tried the other way on all of them, but end up trying the other way multiple times on all of the prints. So now you can see like it just snaps together when I do it this way. But if I try to do it this way, it just won't go. So just snap it this way. And again, I try to get on this piece, but it just doesn't work. So screw it, do it this way, it gets righted. I pound this down and I realize that I need to end up having something to get this a little bit more flush. So I grab my piece of material to help so that I don't leave marks on my print, on my final product. I thought this was gonna take a couple tries, but luckily, this came out in the first try. You should let me know in the comments if you think that this is going to work or not at this moment. It's not gonna be the exact size as the toilet seat that was before this, and we are gonna use the same exact lid. We're just replacing the seat part of this model. And so the hardware we'll end up using for this as well. So we'll still have to drill and get some screws in. My partner is the ultimate judge that gets to be the one to say if this was a great idea or not. She's also going to be using it more than I am, so it really matters. Drum roll. And we're good. We got the green light. Okay, so now here we have the toilet seat. We hardwired it to it. Again, we're using that old hardware. It's pretty flush. It's pretty sturdy. Holds up. See, we got the hardware on there real nice. And we did have to put those two spots here. And if anybody can let me know in the comments what those are for to when you end up closing this, what it does.
I want to thank all of the viewers out there for all the help and all the subs and all the views that you've ever had so far. We couldn't have done this without you. If you like this video, you always know what to do. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and we'll catch you in that next video. Peace.